Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something people think it's scary or big, but actually, it is not scary. If you've ever wondered why we use letters in math or how do I even start solving for x, this lesson is for you. Now, what is algebra? In simple terms, algebra is all about finding the missing value. An example is when you have x plus 5 will be equals to 12. What this is saying is that what number added to 5 will give us 12. Now, the best way to solve this is to make x the subject of the formula. And how are we going to do that? That's by subtracting 5 from both sides. So you have x plus 5 minus 5 to be equals to 12 minus 5. And in algebra, anything that happened to the left side will also happen to the right side. So now x plus 5 minus 5 is gone, is equals to 12 minus 5, that is 7. So x is equals to 7. So 7 added to 5 will give us 12. Let's check the answer. X plus 5 equals to 12. Now the value of x here is 7. So 7 plus 5 is equals to 12. 7 plus 5, 12 equals to 12. Another example is x plus 4 to be equals to 10. Now this is saying that a number added to 4 must give us 10. Now what's that number? In order to do that, we have plus 4 here. You have to make x the subject of the formula, and that's by subtracting 4 from both sides. So you have x plus 4 minus 4 to be equals to 10 minus 4. So x minus 4 plus 4 is 0. So you have x to be equals to 10 minus 4, 6. Now let's check our answer. This is telling us that when we have 6 plus 4, it must give us 10. So x is 6 plus 4 equals to 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. So 10 equals to 10. Another example is x minus 7 to be equals to 3. This is saying that a number minus 7 must give us 3. Now, this number is negative 7. In order to make x the subject of the formula, that means we need to add 7 to both sides. So you have x minus 7 plus 7 to be equals to 3 plus 7. So x minus 7 plus 7 is 0. So x is equals to 10. Now let's try this. 5 plus x to be equals to 14. This is saying that a number of 5 added to a number must give us 14. We need to make x the subject of the formula, and that's by subtracting 5 from both sides. So you have 5 minus 5 plus x to be equals to 14 minus 5. 5 minus 5 is 0, so you have x to be equals to 14 minus 5. 9. Now let's try this again. 2x plus 3 to be equals to 11. Now in this case, our x is having a coefficient. Let's try to make the 2x the subject of the formula, and we can make it the subject of the formula by subtracting 3 from both sides. So we have 2x plus 3 minus 3 to be equals to 11 minus 3. Now 2x plus 3 minus 3 is gone to be equals to 11 minus 3 is what? 8. Now we are looking for the value of x, but x is attached to a coefficient. When an unknown number or unknown value is attached to a coefficient, we are going to divide by that coefficient. So now we are dividing this 2x by 2. We have 2x by 2 to be equals to 8 over 2. And then x is equals to 2 here, 1, 2 here, 4 is equals to 4. Now, another one if you have is when you have 3x minus 5 to be equals to 16. So, you make 3x the subject of the formula. So, you have 3x minus 5 plus 5 to be equals to 16 plus 5. So, 3x minus 5 plus 5 is 0 is equals to 16 plus 5. That's 21. So you divide both sides by 3, the coefficient of x, and then you have x will be equals to 21 over 3, which is equals to 7. This is saying 21 biscuits shared among 3 students. So you have 7 as your answer. Another one is when you have 5x minus 15 to be equals to 10. Make 5x the subject of the formula, so you have 5x minus 15 plus 15 to be equals to 10 plus 15. So you have 5x minus 15 plus 15 is 0, 10 plus 15 is 25. So you divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 5. Divide both sides by the coefficient of x. Now 5 is going to cancel 5, so you have x is equals to 25 divided by 5 is 5. Another example is when you have x over 3 plus 2 to be equals to 6. Now you need to make x over 3 the subject of the formula. So you have x over 3 plus 2 minus 2 equals to 6 minus 2. So you have x over 3 plus 2 minus 2 is 0 equals to 6 minus 2 is equals to 4. Now you have x over 3 to be equals to 6 over 4. And when a number is standing alone and you are dealing with a fraction, you can divide the number by 1. Just like saying giving 4 biscuits to one person, the person is still going to have 4 biscuits. So you have over 1. It is still not going to change the value. Now you cross multiply in order to make x the result of the formula. So x is going to multiply 1 and 3 is going to multiply 4. So you have x times 1 to be equals to 4 times 3. X times 1 is x, 4 times 3 is 12. So what this is telling us is that x, which is 12, divided by 3 plus 2 equals to 6. Now let's confirm our answer. We have x over 3 plus 2 equals to 6. The value of x is 12, so you have 12 over 3 plus 2 to be equals to 6. 12 over 3 is 4 plus 2 equals to 6, and 4 plus 2 is 6 equals to 6.